Welcome sa E-SKUL ng Bayan. Andito ako para samahan kayong mag-review. Tara, aral!
In this video, we will discuss percent, decimals, and fractions. So first, ano ba yung percent? Percent is just another way of saying per hundred or hundredths or ratio of a number and 100 or ratio of a number to 100. So for example, if we have 33%, equal lang yun sa 33 over 100 or 33 is to 100. So, itong percent natin, pwede din natin i-convert into decimal. So, more detail on that later. In general, if we have n%, ang fraction form niya or equal lang din ito sa n over 100 or n is equal to 100. So, ito lang yung definition niya. Nilagay ko lang in algebraic form. Okay, so let's convert. Medyo madali lang to guys ha. Review nga lang ng mga ganitong bagay. Bago tayo mag-proceed sa algebra tomorrow. Converting percent to decimal. Divide the percent by 100 or simply move 2 decimal places to the left. So if you have 33%, asan ang decimal point nito? After no last digit mo, okay? So imove mo lang yung decimal place to the left, ilang beses? Twice, okay? So ang decimal place natin will now be here, and to write it in a proper decimal form, lagyan natin ng 0 before the decimal point. So we have 0.33. Okay? 33% is equal to 0.33. Mabilis ba ako? Hindi naman. Okay. Now, how about this one? Another example. 567%. So if we have 567%, ang decimal place natin would be, ang decimal point rather would be after 7. Now, let's move that 2 units to your left. The answer would be 5.67. Okay, how about 3%? So, ang decimal point dito would be after 3. Move 2 decimal places, wala na tayong number before 3. So, what do? We add 0, saka natin ilagay ang decimal point. Okay? So, our 3% is equal to 0.03. Now, let's have 0.4%. Okay, so again, identify ko nasa ng decimal point mo and then move it 2 units to your left. We have this one, malilipat dyan ng decimal point. So, ayan na ang ating decimal form ng 0.4%. We will get 0.004. Okay, so your turn guys. Gawin lang ng mabilis. Okay, so the answer for these are, okay, so we have 29%, that's equal to 0.29. We have 84%, that's equal to 0.84. We have 0.49%, that's equal to 0.0049. How about 129%? That's equal to 1.29. Yung 53.2% naman would be equal to 0.532. And ang ating 7.1% is equal to 0.071. Okay. May questions ba dito? Wala naman. Anyone? So, how about if we convert decimal to percent? Okay, so kung kanina, if nag-move tayo 2 decimal places to the left, this time we will move it to the right. So if we have 0.4, to convert this to percent, isulat muna natin ulit yung 0.4, move the decimal place 2 units to the right. Okay, then since wala nang number after 4, we will add 0 bago natin ilagay ang decimal point. So, 0.4 is equal to 40%, sorry. Okay, another example, 1.35. Move the decimal place 2 units to the right. We will get 135%. Okay, so tinatanggal ko na yung decimal point after 5 kung whole number naman siya. Okay, kasi wala na tayong nasa decimal place. Okay. Now, it's your turn. Here are the answers for 1.768, that's equal to 176.8%. And then, ito namang number 2, 24, in percent, that's equal to 2,400%. Okay, for number 3, 0.038, that's equal to 3.8. And number 4, 0.55, move decimal place 2 units to the right, that's equal to 55%. Okay, how about number 5? 0.08, that's equal to 8%, and last 0.001, that's just equal to 0.1%. So tatandaan lang, 2 decimal places lang ang minumove natin to convert decimal to percent or percent to decimal. Okay, how about converting fraction to decimal? Madali lang to. Just divide the numerator by the denominator. Okay? So, for example, here we have 3/8, 2/3, and 12/20. So, itry natin to isa-isa. Okay, so first one, we have 3/8. If we divide, so this is equal to 3 divided by 8 or ganito. Okay? So, 3, mas maliit siya than 8. So, we add decimal point and 0. So, here we will have 0 point something. 30 divided by 8, that's equal to 3. Okay, 3 times 8, that's 24. 30 minus 24 is equal to 6. Okay, 6 is not divisible by 8. So, mag-add ulit tayo ng another 0. Diba natin yung 0 na yun? 60 divided by 8, that's equal to 7 times 8, that's 56. 60 minus 56 is equal to 4. Okay? So, add ulit tayo ng another 0. 40 divided by 8, that's 5. 5 times 8, that's 40. So, wala na tayong remainder. Our final answer here is 3/8 is equal to 0.375. Okay. Inisa-isa ko lang ha para sa mga nakalimot mag-long division. Okay, how about 2/3? 2/3 is just equal to, hindi ko alam kung familiar kayo, pero tuloy-tuloy lang to. 0.6 and bar. Okay? So, yung ibig sabihin ng bar na to sa taas is paulit-ulit lang or repeating. Repeating ang ating 6. Okay? So, kung sa choices mo, kung walang ganyan, another would be 0.667 kasi na-round up na yung 7. Okay, but the more accurate answer would be 0.6666666 and so on. Okay, nakaka-follow pa naman, no? How about the next one? 12/20. Okay, so this is equal to 12 divided by 20. So 12 is not divisible by 20. Let's add 0. So guys, make sure na yung decimal point nyo is pantay ha. So 120 divided by 20, that's equal to 6. Okay, correct? So this is equal to 0.6. Kasi if I multiply 6 times 20, that's just equal to 120. So that's our final answer. Diba? Madali lang yung lesson today. Let's go back to our PowerPoint. Ayun yung answers natin. Okay, how about this one? Now it's your turn, guys. I-try nyo. Okay, may nakasagot na ba ng, ng number, ng 7/4? Kristen Radel Duavis. Okay, hindi siya sumasagot. Sige, si Jersey na lang. What's your answer for 7/4, Jersey?
1.75 po.
1.75. Okay, check natin yan mamaya. How about 7/25? Anyone?
0.28 po.
0.28. Okay, check natin yan mamaya. How about 2/5? Anyone? 0.4. So, medyo madali itong last. Okay, good. So, our answers here are 1.75, tama, 0.28, and 0.4. Okay, meron pang questions kung paano ito nakuha? Magdedemit lang ha. So, minsan, but itong numbers yung pinili ko. Kasi, for example, if you have 4, you have 25 and 5, yung mga numbers na to are factors of 100. So, medyo madali lang to. Kasi, for example, this one, if you have, ilang 4 ba meron sa 100? You have 25. Tama ba?
Yes.
Okay, so parang 25 times 7. Depende sa inyo kung anong pinakamadaling way isipin nyo. Or another way of thinking ng sa 7/4. So, mga techniques lang to. Meron sa 1 and 3/4. Ano ba yung 3/4? 75 or 0.75. Sana familiar kayo sa mga ganun ha, na 1/4 is 0.25. 1/2, that's 0.5. Okay? 3/4, that's 0.75. 1/3, that's 0.333. 1/6, that's 0.2 something. As in, hindi na maalala. Pero dapat familiar kayo sa mga ganong common na fractions to decimal. Itong 7/25 naman, yung 25 is just 1/4 to ng, ng 100 mo. Or meron kang apat na 25 sa 100. So, 7 times 4, that's equal to 28. Tapos 2 decimal places kasi 100. Mga ganong technique lang. Alright? So, how about this one? Converting fraction to percent. Hindi ko na tayo i-discuss ng in detail kasi ang ginagawa mo lang naman dito is convert mo yung fraction mo to decimal, katulad ng ginawa natin kanina, kaya same examples na nilagay ko. And then, convert that decimal to percent. So, if you have, tingnan solve natin from earlier. Okay? Nakaka-follow naman, di ba? Convert fraction to decimal. And then, convert this decimal to percent. Alright? Madali lang lang. Okay, how about converting decimals to fraction? So, ang gagawin natin dito is if you have a decimal, divide mo yung number na, yung digits niya, ay wait lang, by the place value of the last digit. Okay, may nagsabi, divide it by 100. Okay. Pwede rin by 100, pero depende talaga siya kung ano yung last digit ng decimal mo. Okay? Place value ng last digit mo. Recall lang natin, itong nauna dito, yung pinakamalapit sa decimal point mo is tenths. Okay? So, ibig sabihin, if yung last digit mo is nandito, divide mo siya by 10. Pero kung meron kang digit pa dito, i-divide mo siya by 100 kasi nasa hundredths place siya. And kapag may digit ka pa dito, by 1,000 kasi nasa thousands place siya. Okay? So, for example, if you have 0.125, ang last digit niya is 5. So, nasa thousands place. Divide 125 by 1,000. Again, guys, divide the digits. So, i-ignore mo na yung decimal point. Okay? So, 125 over 1,000. And then, what you're gonna do is simplify this. Yung 1,000 mo is actually divisible by 125. Pero kung hindi mo makita yun agad, what you can do is i-simplify mo siya ng paunti-unti. Divide it by 5, and then divide it again by 5, and so on. Okay? Naka-follow ba doon? So, if you simplify 125 over 1,000, the answer is going to be 1/8. Okay. How about this one? 135. Your last digit is in hundredths place. So, you will divide 135 by, you will divide 135 by 100. Okay? So, may dalawang way ka para gawin to. Pwedeng separate mo yung whole number. Like this one, hiniwalay ko yung 1, and then yung 35 na lang over 100. Then simplify 35 over 100, you will get 1 and 7 over 20. Yes, Ruby? May nag-raise ng hand. Ay, slow down po. Okay, again ha. Balikan natin yung last example. Kapag meron kang decimal, tapos gusto mo siyang gawin in fraction form, una mong titingnan is yung last digit mo. Okay? So, ano yung place value nitong 5? Thousands. Okay? Kasi nasa decimal to guys ha. Thousands. So, kung ano yung decimal place niya, or yung place value niya, yun yung denominator mo. Okay? Kaya 1,000 yung nandito. Tapos yung numerator mo would be yung digits lang nung original decimal mo. Okay? Mamaya na yung repeating, may nag-chat kasi ha. Mamaya na yung repeating decimal into fraction. Iisa-isahin yan. Okay? So again guys, from basic to mas mahirap. So if you have 0.125, ang ating numerator would be 125. Kasi yan yung digits mo. 1, 2, and 5. So dapat same in order ha. Baka naman pagbaliktad-baliktad rin yung digit nyo. So 125 over 1,000. Nakuha naman to. And then what you're gonna do is simplify this. So guys, if ang assumption ko is naaral niyo yung previous topics. And doon din discuss yung simplifying fractions. Okay? So here, what you're gonna do is simplify 125 over 1,000. 1,000 is divisible by 125. The answer would be 8. Kaya meron kang 1/8. So sinasabi ko kanina, if hindi mo alam agad na divisible yung 1,000 by 125, you can do it slowly. Okay? Mag-arrive ka pa rin with the same answer. Okay? So here, 125 divided by 5, makakakuha ka ng 25. Okay? Yung 1,000 divide mo by 5, makakakuha ka ng 200. Okay? So, then paliitin mo ng paliitin yon. Okay? Hanggang sa makuha mo yung simplest form niya. Or minsan naman, hindi simplest form yung hinahanap ng exam. So, kaya ko pinakita mo na yung 125 bago yung itong 1/8. Naka-follow na ba? Okay na? Pasensya, mabilis akong magsalita. Alright. Now, let's have this example. Dito, ang last digit natin is 5 na nasa 100th place. So, ang ating denominator would be 100. Okay? Dito, ang ginawa ko, sineparate ko muna yung whole number. Kasi for me, mas madali kapag hiniwalay ko siya. If I separate 1, I'll get 35 over 100. Kung hiniwalay nyo na yung whole number, huwag nyo nang lalagyan ng 1 dito, ha? So, 1 and 35 over 100, if we simplify this, divisible sila pareho by 5, you will get 7 over 20. Another way of solving this is hindi mo ihiwalay. Okay? So, pareho pa rin naman yung sagot mo. Pareho pa rin naman yung value nila. So, here we have 135 over 100. Over 100 pa rin, guys, ha? Kasi yung basis natin is yung place value ng last digit. So, 135 over 100, if we simplify it, divide numerator and denominator by 5, we will get 27 over 20. Okay? Naka-follow ba? Sige, since wala namang may nagtatanong na, do this on your own. So, for the first 3 numbers, I want you to give me the mixed number or the proper fraction. Sa 4, 5, and 6 naman, just give me the improper fraction. Okay, take note, you have to simplify kapag kaya. Alright, I'll give you 5 minutes to answer this one. Okay lang if medyo feeling nyo mabagal pa kayo. Lahat naman ng lesson sa math nakukuha sa practice. Okay? So, ipopost ko din to tonight. Pag feeling mo hindi mo natapos, balikan mo na lang. If gusto mong gawin on your own. For number 1, the answer is 7 over 25. Okay, good. Ano nga ulit yung number dito? 0.28. Okay? So, ang 8 natin is nasa 100th place. So, ang ating denominator would be 100 over 28. Okay, divisible sila pareho by 4. 28 divided by 4, that would be 7. 100 divided by 4, that would be 25. For number 2, we have, okay, 24.6. Ako mas gusto kong ihiwalay na lang to. So, that would be 24. Madali lang to. 6, nasa 10th place. So, 6 over 10. That's equal to 24 and 3/5. Okay? How about number 3? What's your question for number 3? 0.124. Tama ba? Tama ba naalala ko? 124. Okay? So, this is equal to 124 over 1,000. Okay? Divisible sila pareho by, 1,000. Divisible sila pareho by 4. So, sa taas, you will have 31 over 250. Okay? So, guys, dapat medyo mabilis na rin kayo mag-solve. Kunwari, yung 1,000 divided by 2, divided by 4, divided by 5. Dapat alam nyo agad automatic kung anong sagot, ha? 1,000 divided by 2, that's 500. 1,000 divided by 4, that's 250. 1,000 divided by 5, that's 200. Okay? So, sa mga hindi nakakasaulo nun, i-remember. Okay? Now, how about number 4? Anyone? We have 1.55. Okay, Denise, what's your answer for number 4? 31 over 20. Okay, now let's check that. Ang last digit natin is nasa 100, so over 100. 155 is equal to, divide by 5, 31 over 20. Okay? How about number 5? 2.08. That's equal to 208 over 100. O, nakukuha na ba? But 100 agad kasi this one, 100th place ang 8. Kaya over 100. So, divide both by 4. 208 divided by 4, that's 52 over 25. We have 3.021. This is 3,021 over, yung 1 is thousands place, so 1,000. Okay, actually, simplest form na to, di ba? Kasi wala naman silang common factor. Okay, so I think nakuha naman ng most. Balik tayo sa PowerPoint. How about if we have repeating non-terminating decimals? Okay? So, ito yung nilista ko lang para sa mga gustong balikan to. Gagamit tayo ng algebra dito, pero simple lang naman, kaya sinama ko na to. Let x be equal to the decimal number to be converted. Okay, so ito basically ito yung gusto mong i-convert to your fraction. So, ganun muna. And then, next is you will multiply this. You will assign that the first one as your equation 1 na. So, meron kang second equation, makukuha mo yun by multiplying x by 10 raised to n. Ano yung n? Number of repeating digits. Okay? So, for example, if you have 0.33333, anong repeating digit mo dun? Your repeating digit is number 3. Okay? So, meron ka lang isang repeating digit. So, 10 raised to n, that would be 10 raised to 1 or equal to 10. Ganun lang yun. So, for example, if you have 0.56565656, ang repeating digits ko is 5 and 6. So, ang aking n would be 2. Kasi dalawa, 5 at 6. So, 10 raised to 2 or 100. So, yung n mo, basically, yun lang din yung number of zeros mo sa, so 1 and 0, 0. Parang ganun lang yun. Okay. Next that you're gonna do is subtract mo yung 1 from 2. Okay? So, mamaya mas makita nyo, madali lang yon. In this way, ma-eliminate natin yung repeating part. And then after that, just solve for x. Ito na lang muna. Kayong sasagot nung kanina. 0.8888 bar. So, ibig sabihin pa ulit-ulit yung 8. Okay? So, since ma-upload po ba to sa YouTube? Oo, hindi ko na to i-edit kasi hindi ko na kaya mag-edit. 0.888. So, ano yung n mo dito? N is equal to 1. Kasi yung repeating number natin is 8 lang. Okay? Yung number 8. So, again, ano una sabi? Let x be equal to the decimal na gusto natin i-convert. Okay? And then, i-multiply daw natin itong buong thing na to by 10 raised to n. Or in this case, 10 raised to 1 simply equal to 10. Okay, so, if we multiply, x is equal to 0.88, hindi ko na isusulat ng buo, times 10, ang makukuha natin will be 10x is equal to 8.88 and so on. Kaya lagyan ko ng bar, okay? So, this is our equation 1 and this is our equation 2. So, ang next mong gagawin would be to subtract 2 minus yung equation 1. Okay? So, let's subtract it. Isulat natin dito. 10x is equal to 8.8888 and so on. Okay? How about equation 1? Equation 1 is equal to x equal to 0. Guys, make sure na pantay yung decimal nyo ha kapag nagsasubtract kayo dito. 8, 8, 8, 8, and so on. Okay. Now, let's subtract them. Subtract natin yung left side and then yung right side. 10 minus x will give you, 10x minus x will give you 9x. Okay? 8.88888 minus 0.88888, mangyayari, magka-cancel yung repeating part natin. 0 lang sila. So, this would be 8. Okay? Now, divide both sides by 9. Our x is equal to 8 over 9. So, remember, yung x natin is equal to 0.888 and so on. So, sinasabi lang ito, equal din ito sa 8 over 9. So, our final answer would be 8/9. Okay? Nakuha ba? Nakuha kung paano nag-subtract? How about number 2? Example number 2, we have 0.484848. Okay? Another way of saying na paulit-ulit kapag may dot, dot, dot. So, ano yung repeating natin dito? Numbers. 4 and 8.
8.
So, our n would be equal to 2. Okay? So, our 10 raised to n is equal to 100. Right? Okay. So, let x be equal to the decimal na i-convert natin. 4848. Okay. So, 10 raised to n times x, that would be 100. That pala sa taas ko na. Sa taas ko na isusulat, guys, ha. Nakaka-follow naman ba? 100 x is equal to, multiply this one by 100. Move the decimal point 2 units. Okay, to your right. So, magiging 48 point 48, 48, and so on. Nakaka-follow naman. Now, let's subtract. 100 minus x, that would be 99x, is equal to 48. Okay? Or x is equal to 48 over 99. Divisible sila pareho. Pangit ng sulat ko, sorry. Kasi nasira yung drawing tablet ko. Divisible by 3, this would be 16 over 33. Okay? This is just equal to this one. Ma'am, always po ba yung 10 raised to n ay equal 100? Hindi. Kanina, di ba, equal to 10 lang siya. Okay ha, ulitin ko ha. Di ba minumultiply natin ang x by 10 raised to n? Okay? So, saan galing tong 10 raised to n? We have 10, and then yung n would be from the number of repeating digits. Okay? Ano ibig sabihin nun? So, if we have 0.333, okay, kung may bar tong tatlong 3, considered lang sila na isang digit y. Kasi umulit-ulit lang yung 3 eh. Okay? So, our n here is 1. How about this one? Okay, what's our n here? 2. Kasi 6 and 7. How about this one? It's also 2 kasi ang repeating digit lang dyan is 48. 48. 48, 48. Okay, digits yung tinitingnan na hindi number. Digits. 2. Alright, now let's move to our second example. We have 1.256, 56, and so 56. Sige, isa pa. And so on. Okay? Anong repeating digit natin dito? It's 5 and 6. Okay? So, our n here is also equal to 2. Okay. So, again, x is equal to the decimal na i-convert natin. So, let's write 1.25656. Okay? Since n is equal to 2, Jillian, pa-mute naman. Since n is equal to 2, our 10n would be 100. Or 10 raised to 2. So, 100x is equal to, what's 100 times 1.2565656? Move lang yung decimal place 2 units to the right. Okay, so you will get 125. Again, dapat pantay ah. So, yung 5 and 1, ideally pantayan. And then, 125 and then 6, 5, 6, 5, 6. Okay? Naka-follow ba kung paano naging 125.65665 and so on? Okay? So, again, anong goal nito? If you subtract this 2, you will eliminate yung repeating part. So, itong 5, 6, and 5, 6, magka-cancel out lang. So, 0, 0, 0, 0 lang to. Itong buong to. Okay? 6 minus 2, that would be 4. Okay? Decimal point. 5 minus 1, that would be 4. Okay, so baba lang natin yung 2 and yung 1. Okay? 100x minus x, so magiging 99x. So x is equal to 124.4 over 99. Okay, so paano ito magiging fraction form? What we can do is move yung decimal point 1 unit to your right and then mag-add ka ng 0 sa baba. Anong logic behind that? It's like you're multiplying it by 10 over 10, right? Parang ganun yun. Okay? So, kung nakuha naman to, nakuha naman, di ba? Now, let's simplify this one. They are both divisible by 2. Okay? So, this is 622. And itong nasa baba would be 495. Tama ba? 495. Okay? Kaya pa ba to? 6 plus 2 plus 2, that's 10. So, hindi siya divisible by 3. Okay? So, this is our final answer. Or meron pa ba silang common factors? Wala na? Okay, this is our final answer. Ma'am, required po ba i-multiply yung 100 by 10 para ma-eliminate decimal? Yes, kasi hindi ka pwedeng merong, hindi pa to fraction ha, yung 124.4 over 990 kasi dapat integers sila pareho. Okay? Fraction form, pero hindi siya fraction. Nakuha niyo ba? Okay, so you need to multiply both yung taas and yung baba by 10. When you're done, sabihin lang sa chat. Mag-start na ako mag-explain kapag may at least 3 nakatapos. Yes, correct. Most of the times, lowest term yung hinihingi. Sometimes hindi. So, minsan, bago kayo mag-simplify, i-check nyo muna yung solution. Ay, sorry. I meant the choices. Okay, kasi minsan sayang eh. Sayang kapag mag-simplify ka pa, tapos pagdating mo, hindi naman pala lowest term yung mga nasa choices. So, nagsayang ka lang ng oras. So, check the choices first before you simplify. But in this case, for practice, let's simplify it. Alright? Okay. What's number 1? Sorry, hindi ko pa ito sinasagot. So, 0.24, 24, and so on. Okay. So, bilisan na lang natin dito. Dapat alam na ha. 100x is equal to 24.24, 24. How about here? X is equal to 0.24, 24. Okay? So, nag-repeat lang to. Let's subtract. Guys, pasagot naman si Daniel kung anong nasa number 3. 99x is equal to, anong mangyayari dito? 24. Okay? X is equal to, divide both sides by 99. Mawawala yung 99 sa left side. You will get 24 over 99. Okay, if we simplify this, this is equal to 8 over 33. Okay? So, anong other possible answers na dyan? Baka pwedeng 16 over 66. Okay? Kasi if you divide yung taas and baba by 2, ito yung makukuha mo. Okay? So, check the choices din. Alright. Now, naka-follow naman lahat. What's number 2, guys? 7 point something ata nilagay ko. 7 point, anyway.
2121.
So, ilan ulit? Dalawa
Yes.
ulit. Yes?
Miss, yung question po kanina, hindi divisible ang 99 sa 2?
Ay, oo nga, no? Sorry. Wala, hindi ko na mababalik. The answer is 8 and 33. Okay. Hindi siya divisible, pero if you multiply yung 2 ng taas and ng baba, this could also be 16 over 66. Okay? Correct na another form niya to ha, yung 16 over 66, but technically equal lang. Pero, tama, hindi divisible ang 99 by 2. Sorry.
Pero may sinimplify niyo po siya divisible.
Oo nga eh. Hindi, may mali ata sa solution ko. Saglit, balikan natin yun. Parang it doesn't make sense. 24 over 99. Okay? divide both by, or multiply, divide pala. Divide by 3 and 3, right? 24 divided by 3, that's 8. 99 divided by 3, that's 33. Okay. Hindi, tama pa rin yun, yung 16 and 66. Kasi, ganito yan, guys. 8 and 33, multiple niya yung 16 and 66, and multiple niya yung 24 and 99. Nakuha ba? Kasi minsan, may mga kupal lang na ganun ka-tricky yung choices. Yung akala niyo wala sa choices yung sagot, pero actually, yung multiple niya or equivalent na fraction. Okay? Okay, na-gets yung point ko. Ba't ko binibigay yung mga ganung examples? Kasi pwedeng equivalent fraction yung nasa choices o kaya in another form. So, minsan, merong mga choices na A, B, C, and D. Kunwari yung sagot niya is, segue lang to, 0.23. Okay? Tapos meron ka sa choices 0.22. Pero hindi mo napansin, meron ka palang 23 over 100. Okay? Or something like that. O kaya, sige, another example. 22 na lang. Tapos meron kang 0.21. Tapos meron kang 11 over 50. Okay? Yung iba, ito yung isasagot kasi, yun na yung malapit eh. Pero actually, you have your 11 over 50, which is equal to 0.22. Okay? Nakuha niyo ba yung point ko? So, yun lang. Now, let's continue with this one. 7.2121, our n is equal to 2, so 100 ulit. 100x is equal to, okay, multiply this by 100, 2 decimal places, 721.2121. Okay, x is equal to, kopya lang natin yung kanina. Again, be careful with your decimal, dapat pantay sila. 2121. Okay, so if we subtract this, again, magka-cancel lang itong dalawa. 11 minus 7, that would be 4. Tama ba? Makamali ako ng arithmetic, 1 and 7. Okay, so 100 minus x, 99x is equal to 714 over 99. Or if we divide this by 3, tama, di ba? Divisible siya by 3, that would be 238. 238 over 33. Okay, that's our final answer. Sige, number 3. Okay na ba? May question dito? Baka ma-delete ko na naman. Okay, next is number 3. For number 3, we have 0.38 something. 5454. 854 pala, sorry. Okay? So, ang ating n dito is 3. So, ang ating multiplier would be 1,000 kasi 3. Okay? Huwag nyo nang isipin yung 10 raised to n. Isipin nyo na lang na kung ano yung 3 mo, yun yung number of zeros mo. So, 1, 2, 3 zeros. Okay? Sa mga nalilito. 1,000x is equal to 3 zeros, so 3 decimal places. 385. Sorry, yung aso ko kasi umuungol. 385.4854854. Okay? Now, x is equal to 0.3854. Okay? Subtract. Guys, take note, ito lang yung makakancel na part, 854, and then yung 854. May natitira ka pang 4 and 3 dito. Okay? 4 minus 3, that's 1. 5 minus 0. Okay, copy lang natin to. Nakuha ba? Naka-follow dito? Okay, so here we have 1,000 minus x, that's 999x. Okay? So guys, for ganito pala, dapat familiar ka kung paano mag-check ng divisibility for 3. Okay? Actually, for 9. Move po 3 decimal places kasi 1,000. Ito ba yung question mo, Georgian? Marfori? Oo, kasi 1,000. Kasi 1,000 times x. Okay? Kasi yung x mo is equal to this one. Skip ko na yung part na yun para once ko lang isusulat. Okay? To check for divisibility ng 9 or 3, you add the digits ng ditong side mo. And then, kung yung sum niya is divisible by 3 or 9, then divisible siya by 3 or 9. Whichever applies. Okay? So, your x here would be 385.1. Gagawin ko na siyang 3,851. And then, yung 999 ko magiging 9,990. So, ito na yung final answer natin. Sorry.